Hi, I want to share some thoughts on owning the CD Foldylock Compact for about a year now. So my bike is still here. That's a testament to the security of the lock. Um, so an important aspect I was looking for is something that's highly versatile because I live in a town where there aren't many official bike locks or bike racks that I can lock myself up into. And this allows me to get in a wide range of areas, including this deck, which I was not able to do with the U-Lock. So it hasn't let me down yet. It's very light, 2.2 pounds, which is important for my commute. Another aspect that I love is that it's rattle-free. So for me, it's important to be able to hear rattles on your bike to diagnose those problems. This thing is silent. And then lastly, I really want something that's very fast to get in and out of, that encourages me to ride my bike basically every day, right? So here's the process that I do. It's a very quick, nice, easy maneuverability. Getting in and out of the store or other places is a breeze.